Hi and welcome to another review on mbrTech YouTube channel. For the first time on my channel I have a chance to test a smart TV box thanks to GearBest. If you want to support me and to get me more products like this, check out the links in the description. Model on the test is F1 from Flowfon, featuring Android Pie 9.0. Let's begin with the unboxing. When we open the box, we can already see a TV box. I will unpack it and leave it for a later. Inside the box there are few accessories and we will need them to set up and use the TV box. There we have a power adapter to supply TV box with enough power. Connector is a micro USB and output power is 2 amperes, which means we can use even some smartphone chargers to power it. There is also standard HDMI cable in the box to connect this TV box with your monitor, TV or other devices. There are 2 more things in the box: remote controller for this TV box and quick user manual. We will really need this remote controller, but more about it later. For now, buy 2 AAA batteries to power remote controller, because they are not included in the box. Let's go back to the TV box. The design of this TV box is simple, compact, but kinda cheap. It is made of plastic, not the best quality one, but that makes it really lightweight. The overall build quality is okay for me. Most importantly, there are no moving parts inside like in some products, and you don't have a feeling like something will break. It is pretty solid. Flowfon F1 comes in black color, but orange trim is what makes this beautiful design to stand out even more. If you look closely this TV box, you will see holes across all sides. This is made to improve airflow and cooling system of this TV box. On the front side we have an LED display and it displays some key information while using TV box. On the left side there are 2 USB ports, one is 3.0 and other one is 2.0 version. There is also a TF card slot, which is always good to have if you want to expand your storage. It supports cards up to 64 GB. On the back there are AV, SPD, IF, HDMI, LAN, ER ports and micro USB port to supply this TV box with power. These are all ports you will find on Flowfon F1. There's everything you will need and it is great how they packed all these into this compact case. I need to mention one big advantage of this TV box, and that is portability. You can see dimensions on the screen. It can fit almost everywhere. On the bottom side you will find anti-slip rubber on the edges to prevent moving around your desk. There is nothing more to mention about the design. It is a classic one, but nice and well built. Let's turn it on. At first, let's connect all the cables so we can turn this TV box on. While ordering this TV box, take attention to the type of plug you selected according to your one at home. Insert batteries in your remote controller and you are ready. I will connect an USB wireless receiver for my wireless keyboard and mouse, so I can use this TV box like a small computer. This will make the whole experience even better, but it isn't must-have because you can use your remote controller for all the operations and even turn on mouse mode on it. Let's get into the software so we can see how it is working. It is a standard Android experience, so I don't need to explain you something specially. If you used any Android smartphone, everything will be already known to you. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Flowfon F1 even has 5G Wi-Fi built in for amazing and fast network and data transfer experience. This TV box is powered by Allwinner H6 chipset paired with 4 GB of DDR3 RAM, which is really powerful and well combined with Android 9. All the specification will be written in the description. The capacity of the internal storage is 32 GB, but as I have already mentioned, you can expand it with additional 64 GB if you insert TF card. Flowfon F1 is capable to reproduce 6K HDR images with H265 decoding, which is absolutely insane resolution and experience. I already went through some apps and functions while I talked, so you could get the first view of the software. You should already get the point that Android experience is just like on any smartphone. Essential apps are already installed and there is Google Play Store for your choices. There is no some Chinese apps or bloatwares to ruin your experience. Just the important apps and some apps like Netflix, which is always welcome for this type of devices. I don't need to explain you more, you have already seen everything. If you want to see more about the software, let me in the comment section and I will make another video if there is a huge interest, or I will answer your question. I have a great opinion about this TV box and I can recommend it if you are looking for something in this price range. It is now on a sale with discount on Gearbest, so be fast and check out the description to get it on the flash sale. The design is compact, simple and nice. The overall software experience is good and specification is amazing for this price. You won't be disappointed for sure. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe for even more videos.